kill us. Stag will.
You got good timing. My girls need a driver.
What do I look like to you?
Someone who can keep them safe while they turn tricks and make us money.
All I gotta do is drive them.
That's right. How hard can that be?
You'd be surprised.
I'm coming for your ass. I've had enough.
I need to do this more. How the fuck are you trying? In such a hurry? Or it's my life.
I can't.
Man, I can't be.
I don't have too much fun.
Thank you, sweet Jesus.
I'm so glad to see you again.
Finally, someone who was DTF. Who are those people? What was that flash?
Just another day in the...
I'm pretty sure I don't have herpes.
That thong matches your eyes.
Is something going on?
Leave your info.
I might be too tight for that one.
I think we'd better find a bathroom. Oh, just a little gentler, dearie.
Did you check for bed bugs? How many fingers is that?
That's right, nice and steady.
Don't you know how to write properly? Maybe you're not totally hopeless.
Quit getting out of control.
Let me try that.
Oh, goody, I love the whip.
Use the pickles. Use the pickles.
You don't weigh anything at all. Oh, my. I'm still shaking.
Where did you get that vibrator?
I'll see you next week, child.
That was a great ride.
felt is only the beginning. You ready for the next test?
Ready is an interesting term.
I want you to go out and experience the heat that a fight with Killbane would bring.
Can't we do this metaphorically?
No.
Slow down! I need to go.
These streets aren't safe.
Oh, you're looking for me. You should have.
That's right, checkpoint down! Made it!
Hey, you asshole!
That's right, checkpoint down! That was Angel thinking! Ooh, that felt good.
That was weak, man.
That's right, checkpoint down!
Thank God, I need your help.
Kinsey, I am not moving any more boxes.
I went out and they found me.
Who?
The Deckers. Who else have I been hacking? Wait, don't answer that.
I'll come help you get out.
No, get into position and cover me instead.
Right.
Are you tr-
Bitch could sure use a makeover.
What the fuck?
Am I lost?
right. I know. I saw the Deckers coming. Just keep me safe, okay?
You got nothing to worry about, Kinsey. You got Saints with you.
Easy for you to say when you're not being followed.
You think hanging up here is easy? You can do it next time. Nothing slows me down. You
I think I see the car.
Get in. I'll cover you from the air.
This is why I don't get out much. Could really use some protection here.
That one was for you, Johnny.
I could have been at home on my computer, but no. Someone suggested that I grow as a person. Could really use some protection here.
Guess my reflexes say 101. Been a while for a while.
We're being followed. Think we're still being shot at.
Nice! You destroyed that fucker!
Could really use some protection here.
Use it now.
I wish I had a picture of this.
Think we're still being shot at. Ryan's getting a little rough.
Anytime on that one.
We're being followed. Now to lock myself away for a week.
Now that you're back in business, we can focus on the Morning Star.
Oh, you need to slow down, baby.
No time.
Look, come to the Palace of Zemo. I got something here to show you.
What for?
I've been helping you out right. Humor me.
Fine.
Try that face to face.
I'll just try.
It's my lucky day. I need my oil changed.
That is one ugly fucking painting.
You fucking Philistine. What you know about art? That's a the Winter Sisters original. Bought that back in the day when me and the twins were all live and let live.
Well, seeing as how we just let them know we're taking over their business, I doubt that deal's gonna hold.
Shit. Remember the pony show? I've been off that Christmas list a long time. Anyway, I didn't call you over to talk about me. You killed Philippe Loren and showed the Morning Star that you are here to stay. Time to relax and cut loose, baby.
Now, we'll party once the work's done. I'll call you when I make another move against the Morning Star.
God blessed me with a great plastic surgeon.
Hey, I'm glad you called.
Why? So you can suggest more hookers that'll try to kill us?
Don't be an asshole. That could have happened to anybody.
It's a common problem, I'm sure.
Look, I got a plan to pay back the Morning Star.
Mind filling me in?
Let me eat up, then I'll tell you the details.
Better be worth it.
Get yourself under control.
Yeah, fine.
And while no group has taken credit for the attack in Stillwater, we have ignored its root cause. Our uncontrolled media and the good soul to our children have fetishized gang culture and turned sociopathic madmen into heroes. No more! Those responsible for this act of terror will be found and held accountable. The Stag Initiative marks a milestone in taking back the streets of America.
What the hell is the Stag Initiative?
If it's free porn for everyone, I am down.
So what's the lead?
Oh, I got you hooked up, Slim.
Very discreet.
That's an invitation to kick the Morning Star right in their collective pussy. They having an auction tonight. Flash the car. You're in.
So what, I pretend to be an eccentric millionaire?
Kinda. I'm gonna auction you off as a sex slave.
Fuck that.
Oh, quit being a bitch and get in the van.
Where'd we get the new girls? Ain't my fault if the girls don't perform.
Long as we get paid, don't care who runs it. Pretty colors. Okay, let's do this. Here's your guns back. Should be fun storing extra ammo. That's on you to figure out, baby. I would rather not know. Find something to shut off those alarms. Damn things are still going. We'll have to go down to find the security room.
Not staying back.
What? He's making the floor vibrate.
I best stay on your good side.
That one was for you, Johnny. Z. you got more of this stuff, right? Man.
It's time for some payback.
So this is what it's like to be Shaundi.
I'll push.
Whoa, what is that color? Pierce has gotta try this.
You're handling this naked thing better than I thought you would.
I mean, this just feels right.
Where are you hiding?
No more waiting here. Let me make it clear. No attacker can be here.
I can handle anyone.
You really want to join the hose?
You don't mess around, more to let out. Get on that.
You know you're never gonna get me like this again.
To be honest, I didn't think it'd work the first time.
Where's the fucking saint?
I don't need more bruises.
I best stay on your good side. Over out these doors and let's keep moving.
One of these has to be right. You don't want to stay here. Move it. That one was for you, Johnny. Damn. Wouldn't want to be Morningstar right now.
Nudists are a trick.
These girls are gonna fuck them up. You got a funny definition of training, Angel.
There's a car waiting for you. Head to it.
I've already played in traffic, remember?
This time, all I want you to do is drive around.
That's it? What's that gonna teach me?
To master your fear.
Then this should be no problem.
People should really be more careful.
Where would a drug dealer...
What the fuck is wrong?
Man, you a damn coward!
I'm gonna start. Who would want her?
You wanna run me over?
You look like a hussy.
He put a tiger in my car! Angel and I need to have a little chat soon. Where'd Angel get you anyway? Had to get worse, didn't it? Down! Get down! I can handle anyone. You think this is fun for me either? I could take on the fucking world right now. Yeah, keep it to yourself.
Stay away from.
You see me taking your picture? Animal activist? Fuck me. Damn it, that shit hurts! Just back off! Damn. Angel knows what he's doing.
can't get into every place the Deckers have their little networks. Too many secure locations.
There a way to fix that?
Yep, I have to visit each location separately and hack into them locally.
You'll never get close enough without them spotting you.
I will if you're watching over me. Like with a helicopter, with guns.
Yeah, I bet that'll work.
It better. I already found the helicopter.
You know I'm a dog's ass shit.
Learn how to drive, dumbass!
Can you drive?
Watch where you're going!
You ready, Kinsey?
Been waiting on you. You sure you can handle flying that?
I don't tell you how to hack, you don't tell me how to fly an attack chopper.
Makes sense.
Think they'd learn.
First stop's up ahead. Deckers keep a server farm inside.
You do your thing.
I am the greatest!
That wasn't very hard. They should upgrade their security here.
Probably better they didn't.
Another network building's close by.
Don't fuck with the Saints!
Everything good?
2 down, on to the next.
Murder time! Fun time!
Okay, last one coming up. That's it. I'm tapped into all 3 sites now.
I hope that helps.